Hello, this is Simon Klein from TradeSmart on the 16th of September 2018. Welcome to this week's episode of Where is the Dollar Going Next? And what you see before you is a dollar index on the daily chart wound back to the end of the previous week. We said last week that if we're able to hold a higher low, we may very well continue moving to the upside if we're able to go above and close above this supply zone overhead. And if not, we may go down or potentially sideways. So let's take a look at how the market played out last week. So on Monday, the market did put in a higher low, but moved down a bit. On Tuesday, the market put in a lower high, making the odds more likely that we're going to move to the downside. On Wednesday, we continued moving to the downside. On Thursday, even more to the downside into this demand zone. And on Friday, we bounced up from the demand zone below. So the question is this: what are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week? Based on this time frame, we're looking like we could end up being bearish so long as we stay below this supply zone ahead. If we're able to go above this area, we start looking bullish again. Now let's take a look at the larger time frames. Now if we look at the weekly chart, we've broken the weekly uptrend now and we're pointing to the downside, so the odds based on this time frame are that we may continue moving to the downside. But what we can say is this: if we remain below this pivot high, then it's bearish for the dollar. If we're able to go above and close above this pivot high, then we start looking bullish again. And again, on the monthly chart, as we said in previous weeks, it's still open. It could go either way from here. It could continue moving up or pull back. But again, as we've said, based on the weekly chart, we could end up moving to the downside as we've just broken the weekly uptrend. So these are the odds of where the dollar is likely to go next this week. What I'd like to do now is point your attention to a free webinar I'm taking part in on Monday the 17th of September at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. What I'll do is leave a link below this video, whether you're watching it on my YouTube channel or on my blog, where you can sign up for this free webinar. I really enjoy taking part in this timing research show, and I urge you, if you've never been to this before, to come live. You can ask questions as well, and you'll learn from myself and another 4 professionals in the industry. That's all for now. This is Simon Klein from TradeSmart. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe at the end. Wishing you the best of luck with your trading this week.